So today what we're going to do in a bushcraft setting is we're going to cook an ostrich steak in a red wine sauce. Right, so the ingredients we're going to use, we've got rosemary, we've got black pepper, we've got grains of paradise, which you might not be able to get in the local supermarket. You don't have to use these, you can just use black pepper. We've got bay leaves, we've got garlic, we've got thyme, shallots, stock, butter, ostrich, Malbec, we've got some balsamic vinegar, and we're not going to bother trying to measure any of this stuff. We don't have a scale out here in the woods, so we're just going to eyeball it. Okay, right, so what we're going to do is going to make the sauce first. So first what we're going to do, melt some butter. Shouldn't take very long considering the fact this is a cast iron pan. Try not to get blinded by the smoke. And we also want to chuck the onions in. Jesus Christ. Then we're just going to caramelise those, and by that I mean we're going to cook them until they're a bit translucent, a little bit brown. Right then, so this is going to cook really quickly, so you want to chuck some wine in there as well. Yeah. Balsamic. A splash of balsamic vinegar.
And you're looking to reduce that down?
Reduce that down. Chuck a bit of garlic in there. And then we're literally just going to throw our thyme, bay leaves as well in there. It's just a bit of the rosemary. Now we're going to take some of the grains of paradise and also the black pepper and just chuck that in there as well. A little bit more red wine, so we've got more of a sauce. Lovely. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put some of the stock in there as well. We're just going to slowly just reduce all this down on the fire. Not going to tell you how long it'll take, you'll just have to eyeball it. Hope you don't set yourself on fire. Best of luck to you. Right, so we've made our reduction. We've got a nice hot cast iron pan going. So we've got these ostrich steaks. They have already been pre-grilled because that's how they come from the supermarket. We're just gonna cook these off for maybe about 2 minutes on this very hot pan. It should make a lovely noise. Right, so our ostrich steaks are done. You want to give them, as I say, probably about 2 minutes aside. So we're just going to nab one of these ones out. Got a nice piece of rock to serve it on, as you do. And there we go.